Hi teachers, this is Susie Olson from Nasco Education, here to talk to you today about free lesson plan volume number 43, the elements and principles of design. This lesson plan goes with a kit that we sell separately, but all of the lesson plan and materials are available for free to print off of our resources on Nasco Educate as well as on our website at nascoeducation.com. The lesson plan is 3 parts. It actually gives you the instructions, it gives you handouts, and it gives you a grading rubric. The idea here is that you're going to be able to introduce the elements and principles of design to your students as they apply it to housing and interior design, as well as fashion and fashion merchandising classes. There is a grading system on the rubric which allows the students to evaluate their own projects as well as give themselves a point score.